Ayan guys, Villa Baliano Compound, Panaklayan, Noah's Nature and Adventure Park. Ito guys, Villa Baliano Compound, Panaklayan, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Yan na po yung view niya. Maganda guys, no? Oh, wow, sana all fine trees, beautiful fine trees. I love it. Yan guys, meron na rin dito playground, food court doon pa sa unahan. So we are open guys for the booking any kind of parties guys. We are ready to serve you guys. This is Mitch to Bali Vlogs, serving you. Okay guys, visit kayo guys dito guys, visit kayo para makita nyo yung beauty guys ng refreshing na na place. Ayan, ito yan guys, oh di ba guys, ang ganda guys, oh refreshing talaga siya mga lalabs. Invite ko po kayo mga lalabs, pumunta dito at maki-join us sa mga parties nyo guys, any kind of parties, wedding, debo, we are available here guys. 5K, 10K guys, pwede na makipag-booking dito guys. Ayan siya, si Noah's Nature and Adventure Park. Thank you guys for watching for the short videos today. Love you all, love you, love you. See you guys, see you, punta kayo, see you.